Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing how to make tic-tac-toe game using Python language. So first, let's start with what is tic-tac-toe game and how it is played. Tic-tac-toe is a popular game played in a pen and paper or paper and pencil for two players X and O who make turns marking the spaces in a 3 into 3 grid. It is a solved game with a forced draw, assuming best play from both players. In order to win the game, a player must place three of their marks in a horizontal or either vertical or diagonal row. Now, how to build tic-tac-toe game using Python? First, we will create a board using board is equal to this one. For I in range 9 means it will print from 0 to 8 1 because range 9 means up to before 1. Print board. After running this code, we are getting this. Means it will print in a series, but we want means it will print in sequence series, but we want in row wise. So for that, we will want define print board row 1 is equal to format board 0, board 1, board 2. Row 2 is equal to format board 3, board 4, and board 5. Like this, we will make 3 rows because it is 3 into 3 grid. Now we will print row 1, row 2, row 3. It will look like this. Here, it will look like this. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Now, we will create a function player move means whose turn is either player 1 or player 2. Player 1 will have x will start with x and player 2 will start from O. Now choice is equal to int input enter your move from 1 to 9 means we will input the value from 1 to 9th position. As we know that it is a 3 into 3 bit, so there will be 9 blocks in between that. Now, if board choice minus one is equal to is board choice minus one equal to means if the board matches means the input which we are giving if it if it is valid, then the space will be taken. Otherwise, it will go into the else block and it will say that space is already occupied. And if it is greater than means we put there 10, then it will say that index out of range. Otherwise, if we means give the space which is already occupied by x or o, then it will go to the else block and it will print space is already occupied. Now we will create a function is victory which checks whether someone have won or not. In order to win the game, a player must place three of their marks in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal row. So, if any of the player who plays and the marks which they place in the block is either in horizontal or vertical or in diagonal wise row, then that player will win. There can be another possibility that if no player wins, means no one wins, then we will create a function is draw which checks whether there is a tie in the game and will return if it's a draw or it will return false. Now, while true means if the condition is true, then it will and then it will go into the then it will print the board. Okay, then player move, then it will go to the move means whose turn player X means player one, then it will print X. Then if is victory, then if X wins, then it will print X wins congratulations, and it will break means it will come out of the loop. Otherwise, if it is a draw, then it will print it's a draw, then it will break. And if player O wins, then it will say O wins, congratulations, and it will break means it will come out of the loop. And else if it's draw means it's a draw, then it will print it's a draw, and it will come out of the loop using break. Now, now I will show you how to you play this game. I will run this code. Okay. So, okay, I am giving first block. So it will be X turn. So one first block. Then I am giving two. Oh, now it's turn for X. So I am going for okay. This position I am going for. Okay. Now I am going fifth. This I will block the position of six so that X can't win because you know that this player is this game is who wins game. So I will block this one. Seven. Now okay, fifth position. Okay, X wins. Congratulations. So here X wins. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.